my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? What's going on, family? What's going on? I hope this video is finding you well. To all my entrepreneur moms, to all my entrepreneur fathers, to all my entrepreneurs, man. Shout out, guys. I wanted to share a quick testimonial proof, quick testimonial and proof video about the Fearless Mama. I know you guys hear me talk about it a lot, but you know, I also want to show payment proof again. I shot a video before of me, receiving payment, but I just wanted to take time to just show it again. Show another video, of another $250 payment, guys. And think about this: if you can get these daily. Think about if you just made $500 a day or $750 a day. If you just average 3 sales. So the same effort that it takes to make $20 commission is the same effort it takes to make a $250 commission. It's just about being positioned. And that's all you have to do is be positioned, guys. This is a one-time fee as far as the program goes. No admin fees that you have to pay to be in the program, guys, or anything like that. No recurring fees or anything. So, guys, this is something that you definitely want to tap into and have under your belt for 2019, guys. So, we all make money online, and after that, we also show you guys what to do with that money. So the money that you are making, we show you that you can invest back and create dividends. In that, we also show you, all the different tax deductions that you can also get when you become a home-based business owner as well. So not only are you making money, or, when you're partnering with me, there's other things and strategies that we do have in place to help you in your online journey, to make sure that you prosper and be successful. Okay, so I wanted to just share proof with this guy so that way you can see that it is true. I'm putting up our last hangout that was last night, guys. So check it out, all right? Get involved with this system. It's a one time. I look forward to working with you. This your boy Jay. I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.